है पीतांबरा, नमामि है बगुलामुखी, नमामि है पीतांबरा, नमामि है बगुलामुखी, नमामि है पीतांबरा.
There is no form of devotion and faith. The more difficult it is to prove the power of devotion, the easier it is to realize and experience it. According to Hindu religious beliefs, there are many gods, goddesses, and religious places who are believed to have their own importance. Himachal Pradesh is called Dev Bhumi or Tapo Bhumi of the saints and monks. The beautiful valleys, remote places, and nature's compassion are considered appropriate for meditation and spirituality. There are many pilgrim centers in Himachal Pradesh where tourists and devotees come from all over the world. One such place is a prevailing major Shakti Peeth located in the Kangra district of Himachal Pradesh, which is known as Ma Baglamukhi Dham. It is also known as Bankhandi. This place is located in Bankhandi, about 22 kilometers from Jwalamukhi temple. This place is 10 kilometers ahead of Dehra by road and by train. One can reach ahead of Jwalamukhi by bus or taxi. Pilgrims coming through plains can reach Gagan Airport and can travel ahead by bus or taxi. As adjacent to main road and situated in the beautiful valleys of Himachal, this temple, because of its yellow color, stands out.
Jai Jai Ma.
According to Hinduism beliefs, Mata Baglamukhi is considered as the 8th of the 10 Mahavidhas. Mata Baglamukhi is also regarded as Shakti provider, enemy destroyer, and the one who defeats all the troubles. Mata's origin is believed to be from turmeric water. Turmeric is of yellow color, therefore she is also termed as Pitambari Devi. In India, there was a region named Saurashtra. In this region, there was a lake by the name of Haridra. Turmeric is also called Haridra. Such a description is mentioned there. Mata appeared from the lake. Lord Vishnu did austerity here. Why did Mata took avatar? The answer to this question is that a demon had created uproar in that lake. Then Mata Baglamukhi came sitting on a heron. She attacked the enemy while sitting on heron and killed him. She is also called Pitambari. Yellow clothes are offered to Mata. The holy offerings, bhog, that is offered, it is also of yellow color. The mixture of materials offered in Havan include liquor, turmeric, Indra cloves, giloy and yellow mustard. The mixture of materials offered in Havan include liquor, turmeric, Indra cloves, giloy and yellow mustard. The more yellow-colored offerings are offered to Mata, more glad she would be. In this temple, yellow-colored jewelry and yellow flower garlands are worn. There is a legend that in the Treta era, Lord Rama worshipped Mata Bagla Devi to gain power and win battle. Also, worship of Mata by Ravana and Meghnad is also described in Hindu Puranas. There is also a belief that in the Dwapar era, This temple was established by the Pandavas during one night in their exile. Firstly, special puja of Ma Baglamukhi was done by Arjuna and Bhima to gain strength and to win the battle.
माँ बगुलमुखी मैया, माँ बगुलमुखी मैया, ओ मैया रे माँ बगुलमुखी, तूने सबकी झोली भरी, माँ बगुलमुखी मैया, माँ बगुलमुखी।
With passage of time, the number of devotees coming here is increasing day by day. The devotees who come to worship at Jwalamukhi, Chintpurni or Nagarkot come to this place also. In the courtyard of this temple, there are many yajna-shalas where devotees from far and wide come and perform Havan Yajnas. When the goddess appeared from the mouth of Lord Vishnu, looking at her splendor, he said, in Kalyug, whenever the influence of enemies will increase, then by chanting rituals and performing Havan Yajnas of Ma Baglamukhi, she will become happy. It would be fruitful and the person will be able to overcome the enemy. Here, the yajnas are performed every day, and if there is any obstacle or problem in your house, you can have a Havan done here for peace. While doing Havan, everyone realized that my problems, sorrows are going away, my troubles are diminishing. Havans are the speciality of this place. It is believed that performing yajnas here solves many problems, and by the divine power, a person can get rid of many things like victory in battle, getting rid of enemy, crisis of wealth, profit and business, etc. Apart from this, devotees also perform Navagraha Yagna for peace, prosperity and for relief of all problems in the temple. People have unabated faith, that people have unwavering belief that Mata do not send anyone disappointed from her darbar. Only thing required is true faith and goodwill. According to these beliefs, devotees come here to perform Yajna Havans wearing yellow clothes. Earlier there was only one Havan Kund at this place, due to which devotees had to wait long. But with the change of time, the temple administration established many Havan Kunds here, and approximately 50 Mahantas who conduct Havan Yagya etc. for the visiting devotees. The idol of Ma Baglamukhi is installed in the temple along with yellow clothes, ornaments and yellow flower garland. At the entrance of the main temple, Hanumanji are installed at one side and Bhairavji on the other side as guardians of Ma. The temple is painted with yellow color from inside and outside. Mata's Charan Paduka is made in front of the main temple, where people pay their respects by offering flowers. An ancient Shiva temple is also located near the temple, where an ancient big Shivling is also established. This Shivling is known as Bankhandeshwar Mahadev. Lord Shiva is ritually worshipped by the Mahants of the temple. It is said that there was an ancient cave from this Shiva temple to Ma Baglamukhi temple. This place is also the center of people's belief. An ancient Hanuman temple is also located near Ma Baglamukhi temple. The Mahants and devotees here sing the importance of the Baglamukhi temple and say that performing yajna at this place has different importance and benefits. The Shakti Peeth here is very powerful and fruitful. Your wish is fulfilled soon. Mata's infinite grace pours on us. Last year also, I came here and got a chance to perform Ikatis Kund Yajna with the blessings of Ma. We come here for years. Yellow clothes and flowers are offered in the temple of Ma Baglamukhi. yellow desert is offered as bhog and yellow thread is tied to the devotees who come here. In Ma Baglamukhi temple courtyard, special care is taken for cleanliness. For the convenience of the devotees and pilgrims who come here, special arrangements have been made here for drinking water and toilets. With this, arrangements have been made for langar for the devotees where everyone is served food. According to the devotees who once comes to the heaven of Ma Baglamukhi, his all wishes come true and he repeatedly comes to seek the blessings of Ma. Ma Baglamukhi is the goddess who takes away everyone's suffering. Baglamukhi temple is one such pilgrimage place among the beautiful valleys of Himachal, which is considered to be the special center of religion, peace and faith. The devotees who come here get peace of mind and all their wishes come true.